When people hear the word union, they often think of construction sites, hard hats, and blue-collar work. But what many people don't realize is that some union jobs are among the highest-paying careers in America. We're talking about careers that can earn six figures, careers with strong retirement plans, excellent and comprehensive health insurance for workers and their families. Many union jobs provide extensive paid training for their members, strong job security and peace of mind for the future, and opportunities to earn even more through overtime and specialized skills. While many workers are struggling with rising costs and shrinking benefits, union workers often enjoy compensation packages worth tens of thousands of dollars beyond their salary alone. So today, we're breaking down the highest-paying union jobs, how much they can earn, and why many of these careers are becoming increasingly attractive. Let's get started. First on the list is lineman. This is one of the highest-paying union careers in America. Linemen build, maintain, and repair the electrical power grid that keeps cities, businesses, and homes running. The work is physically demanding. It often involves heights, outdoor conditions. Linemen provide vital emergency storm response to keep the power running. But the pay reflects those challenges. Many union linemen earn well over $100,000 per year. Some experienced workers earn significantly more when overtime and storm restoration work are included. For people willing to work hard and develop specialized skills, this career offers tremendous earning potential. Next is elevator technician. Most people never think about elevators until they stop working. But elevator systems are incredibly complex and require highly trained professionals to install, maintain, inspect, and repair them. This trade combines electrical systems, mechanical systems, electronics, and strict safety requirements. Because the field is highly specialized, wages tend to be extremely strong. Many union elevator technicians earn six figures. In major metropolitan areas, earnings can be even higher. This is one of the highest-paying trades that many people overlook. Another top-paying union career is electrician. Electricians install, maintain, troubleshoot, and repair electrical systems in homes, businesses, hospitals, industrial facilities, and large commercial projects. Union electricians often receive structured apprenticeship programs, strong benefits, pension plans, and wage increases as they gain experience. Many experienced union electricians earn six figures, especially when overtime is available. Industrial and commercial electricians can earn even more. The combination of strong demand and skilled labor shortages continues to support excellent earning potential. Now let's talk about pipe fitters. Pipe fitters install and maintain high-pressure piping systems used in factories, power plants, refineries, and industrial facilities. This is not the same as residential plumbing. The systems are larger, more complex, and often operate under extreme conditions. Because the work requires advanced technical knowledge, experienced union pipe fitters can earn very high incomes. Many reach six figures through regular wages alone. Large industrial projects and overtime can push earnings much higher. One of the most underrated union careers is Boilermaker. Boilermakers build, install, maintain, and repair large industrial containers, pressure vessels, boilers, and tanks. They often work in power plants, refineries, manufacturing facilities, and industrial construction projects. The work can be demanding, but compensation is often excellent. Many experienced union Boilermakers earn six figures through a combination of wages and overtime opportunities. Because fewer people enter this field, demand for skilled workers often remains strong. Next is operating engineer. Operating engineers operate heavy equipment. Operating engineers operate heavy equipment used in construction, infrastructure, mining, and industrial projects. Bulldozers, excavators, cranes, loaders, and other large machinery. This career requires technical skill, safety awareness, and precision. Many union operating engineers earn strong salaries with excellent benefits. Large infrastructure projects often provide opportunities for substantial overtime and long-term job stability. Now let's discuss welders. Not every welding position pays six figures, but many union welding jobs absolutely can. Pipeline welders, industrial welders, power plant welders, structural welders, and specialty welders often command very strong wages. The key is specialization. Workers who master difficult welding techniques and pursue high-demand industries often see significant earning potential. Combined with union benefits and overtime opportunities, many experienced welders earn well over $100,000 annually. Another high-paying union career is Instrumentation Technician. These professionals work with sensors, automation systems, control equipment, and industrial monitoring systems. Factories, refineries, chemical plants, power plants, and manufacturing facilities all rely on instrumentation systems. Qualified technicians troubleshoot complex industrial systems using advanced digital interfaces. Many experienced instrumentation technicians earn six figures while working in stable industrial environments. Let's talk about railroad conductors and the vital role they play in our economy. The railroad industry continues moving enormous amounts of freight across the country every day. Conductors help manage train operations, coordinate movements, and ensure safe transportation of goods. While schedules can be demanding, compensation is often strong. Many union railroad workers earn excellent incomes through wages, overtime, and benefits. For individuals comfortable with transportation-related work, this career can provide long-term financial stability. Another strong union career is Aviation Maintenance Technician. Aircraft require constant inspection, maintenance, repairs, and safety checks. The responsibility level is extremely high, and so are the standards. Many aviation mechanics work under union agreements that provide strong compensation packages. Experienced technicians often earn six figures, especially with specialized certifications and overtime opportunities. For people interested in aviation, this can be an incredibly rewarding path. Now let's answer the question many people are wondering: why do union jobs often pay so much? Several reasons. First, many union careers involve highly specialized skills. Second, workers often complete formal apprenticeships and training programs. Third, collective bargaining helps negotiate wages, benefits, retirement plans, and working conditions. And finally, many industries represented by unions face skilled labor shortages. When demand exceeds supply, wages tend to increase. That's exactly what we're seeing in many skilled trades today. One thing many people overlook is that salary isn't the whole story. Union workers often receive valuable benefits that significantly increase total compensation. Health insurance, retirement plans, pensions, training programs, paid leave, and other benefits can add substantial value beyond base wages. Sometimes two workers may earn similar salaries, but the worker with stronger benefits ends up significantly ahead financially. That's why total compensation matters. Not every union worker earns six figures. Income depends on location, experience, industry, and local labor agreements. But many of the careers we've discussed today offer realistic paths to success. The reality is that many skilled union workers are earning exceptional incomes while building stable, long-term careers. The biggest mistake people make is assuming high-paying careers only exist in corporate offices. The reality is that many skilled union workers are earning exceptional incomes while building stable, long-term careers. If you're looking for strong earning potential, excellent benefits, and long-term job security, union careers deserve serious consideration. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more breakdowns on trade careers, healthcare careers, AI-powered jobs, certifications, salaries, and realistic ways to improve your income without wasting years on the wrong path. And comment below, which union career surprised you the most?